First of all, I would like to thanks for the initiative and the invitation and the membership given to us and and for this presentation and occasion that we will present our little work we have done on the climate related issue in Afghanistan. Actually, the um, uh, uh, if we're talking only about the Kabul University and what is going on and what we did in this Kabul University, actually the Faculty of Environmental Sciences established in 2013 with three main departments: environmental science, natural resources management, and disaster management. Due to this, the environmental science not have long history in Afghanistan. The environmental science was taught as different lectures and subject in Kabul University and national universities. For the first time, it was in 2013 that the faculty was established. The faculty was established with specific vision and mission, especially working on the environmental issue, climate change impact assessment, investigation, and the disaster management, and so on. The faculty is new. We have 15 academic staff and about 600 students, and we have already graduated about 500 students till now, and they're working in different national international organization. And we have a number of linkage with different national international organization, and also with UNEP and more UN agencies and some agencies of under working under the UNFCCC. Here I focus will a little bit explain about the our related work that we have did about the climate related and environmental issues. The one is the climate change impact on water resources that we have done on the an investigation with USAID support with the WRM of integrated water resources of the Kabul River Basin. Also we have a number of other investigation on energy, the renewable energy resources, and so on. Here the I mentioned about a little bit about the renewable energy resources in this presentation slide. We I presented the hydropower of Afghanistan, the potential of the hydropower energy resources that we have enough, more than our national demand, and also the solar energy is almost enough and have a very potential resources of solar energy in Afghanistan. The total is the estimation generally over the Afghanistan, which is 222,000 megawatt, which is more enough than Afghanistan national demand. And also the wind energy is almost we have enough wind energy and other energy resources like biomass energy and geothermal and so on. We have enough that. For the Kabul University, that we 2 years before we started to provide a Kabul University electricity from the renewable energy resources, especially using the solar panel to provide the 2 megawatt energy of the Kabul University demand. Unfortunately, due to the the problem, the lack of budget, security issues, and recently the COVID-19 pandemic. We are a little bit away from our plan for the net zero of the net zero uh, process for the Kabul University. We are planning to do the job by this year, and fortunately next year we will start it to make the energy from renewable energy resources for the Kabul University. And we will share in the future presentation and conference our job on this issue, our in this important to make net zero the energy of the Kabul University. And recently, currently that we already use the hydropower energy for the Kabul University, which is a big university with more than 1,000 academic staff and 25,000 students with 100 academic program from the master, PhD, and base. This is the plan that we will do in the next years and so on to make our energy of the Kabul University totally from the renewable energy resources. This is all for the our plan for the target for zero carbon, and also using the renewable energy resources. Here there is some of the activity we did with which showing the activity on for the climate change mitigation and adaptation, and also for the related issues. We had a conference in 2019. We had a conference in 2019 in American University of Central Asia, and also the previous year we had in Kabul University. There is the picture of these activities, and also we have link with the SARC Disaster Management Center. We have joint research work with them, and also international conference we conducted together, and also with ICMUD, which is maybe familiar with, you will be familiar with them, which is working in South Asia and Central Asia, which Afghanistan is linked with them. We have different occasion and different program with them, and also we had a number national program, national leading workshop for the climate change mitigation and adaptation, disaster management, disaster preparedness and response training program, and also asset creation. These are all our activities on this issue, the issue of the climate change mitigation and adaptation, and also working for the net zero carbon policy. We have a number program for the student that is here, which we did for our student for their practice, and also for the social inclusion, for the society. We invite them how to do our best for the environmental protection, and also for the climate change mitigation and adaptation, and the sustainable use of energy. And our publication it is showing here, and also for the public awareness, because this is earlier I mentioned about this issue that the environmental science, which is the climate science and so on. This is new in Afghanistan, and many people are not familiar with the climate change mitigation adaptation, the climate change impacts on environmental problem. Therefore, we have a number of public awareness program for the publics, for students, then Kabul University, and we have number of online publication and program for different people on public awareness sector. Therefore, for the target for zero carbon, the surface water resource protection, conservation, and management for climate change mitigation and adaptation is one of the main job in Afghanistan. Unfortunately, due to the ongoing security issue and the lack of the budget for this, and this is one of the important job which is missing. And also, ecosystem-based approach is very important for the water resource management, renewable energy use, which is a very good opportunity for Afghanistan if you're doing the eco-based approach for the water resource management, for climate change mitigation adaptation, and also renewable energy resource development, and using I have already mentioned that based on UNFCCC report, Afghanistan has very low contribution in greenhouse gases emission. Therefore, for the development of Afghanistan, it is needed to use the development process with low emission strategy, because we have a number of renewable energy resources to using for the energy, which is the mean of the development, and they're already a good opportunity for the development with low emission using the renewable energy resources. And the Kabul University is also including in this plan. These above all that I have mentioned, it is a key for the sustainable development of the country. This is all from my side, and here is some of the my recent publication. Thanks for your attention.